animals and nature, the snake who shed his skin. Deep within the heart of the Amazon rainforest, a curious snake named Seraphin lived, with iridescent scales that sparkled in the sunlight and eyes as green as the jungle itself. He was unlike any other snake in his world. One day, while patrolling his territory, Seraphin stumbled upon a strange fruit that he had never seen before. It was round and shiny, with a deep purple color. Intrigued by its appearance, Seraphin decided to take it back to his den. Back at his den, Seraphin nibbled on the fruit cautiously. To his surprise, it tasted sweet and refreshing, like nothing he had ever experienced before. It wasn't long before he realized that he felt different, lighter, as if a burden had been lifted from his body. As days passed, Seraphin discovered that the strange fruit had magical properties. It was not just delicious, but also helped him shed his old tired skin and grow a brand new one. He felt rejuvenated and more alert than ever before. With each passing day, Seraphin grew stronger and more energetic. He found himself exploring deeper parts of the rainforest, discovering new creatures and beautiful sights that he had never seen before. It wasn't long before Seraphin made a new friend, a curious little monkey named Miki. Together, they explored the rainforest, learning about each other and the wonders of nature that surrounded them. One day, while venturing deeper into the rainforest, they stumbled upon a trap set by poachers. Among the captured animals was a tiny baby bird with a broken wing. Seraphin and Miki worked tirelessly to free the bird and nurse it back to health. After weeks of care and dedication, the baby bird was finally well enough to fly again. With a proud flap of its wings, it took to the sky for the very first time. Miki and Seraphin watched in awe as the bird soared gracefully through the treetops. That night, under the light of the full moon, Miki and Seraphin danced together to celebrate their success. The rainforest seemed to come alive around them as they moved to the rhythm of nature's symphony. From that day forward, Seraphin and Miki continued their adventures together. They explored every corner of the rainforest, uncovering its secrets and learning more about themselves along the way. One day, they came across an ancient owl who shared stories of the rainforest's history with them. He spoke of a time when all animals lived in harmony and worked together for the greater good of their home. Seraphin and Miki were inspired to create a similar bond between all creatures in their own little part of the rainforest. From that moment on, Seraphin and Miki worked tirelessly to create a better world for all creatures in their corner of the rainforest. They rescued injured animals, helped clear obstacles from their paths, and even found ways to protect the precious resources of their home. Through their unity and dedication, they became symbols of hope and inspiration for all who lived in the rainforest.